Welcome to Antarpravasa. Today's episode is very special for me because it's all about Bandipur. Bandipur Tiger Reserve, South India's one of the top ranking tiger reserve, which has highest number of tigers and elephant population. We stayed in a forest cottage of Bandipur, and this is the famous Harini Cottage, where leopard sightings are very often from this cottage. Bandipur is a very famous destination in Karnataka, which has a various accommodations, including jungle lodges and resorts, country club, and many other private resorts. However, we chose to stay in forest guest house. The reason being, the forest guest house provides you the immense experience to stay inside the tiger reserve, stay close to the nature and wild animals. The forest guest house has a various accommodations. The range starts between 3,000 to 6,000 rupees per day. The moment we checked into the forest guest house, we were welcomed with plenty of deers and Hanuman langur. This is a camp elephant named Jaiprakash. They usually call him JP, who is aged about 70 to 75 years. It is in retirement time at the moment. Mahuts, who takes care of JP at the moment, told me that this elephant was very strong when it was in his prime time, and no other wild elephant used to stand in front of JP. After spending time seeing JP, we moved a little ahead in Bandipur Forest Cottage campus. Then we found this cute little jungle owlet. It was actually making noise for quite some time. However, I was unable to make out which bird or where is this bird sitting on the tree. However, when I found this jungle owlet, I was mesmerized seeing this for about 30 to 40 minutes. We were fortunate to see all activities of this jungle owlet, cleaning its feather, sharpening its nails, and it didn't forget to keep an eye on us to ensure that it is safe from humans. The soon owlet flew away from the tree where it was sitting. Our attention diverted to a pond near to the forest guest house. It was afternoon time where the deers were actually about to cross from the other side of the road to campus of cottages. And this was the first deer to enter the campus from the other side of the road. Once the first deer had crossed the road, the remaining deers had followed him. And this was the moment I was waiting for to capture in my camera. A light afternoon shower had made the weather so pleasant. There were a group of more than 100 deers. In fact, the Bandipur cottages are actually home for those deers, and we are actual tourists. We just come for a day or two, they are a permanent residents. The moment deers moved away from the cottage campus, we saw a herd of Indian Gaur entering into the campus. A one small rain made entire Bandipur forest so lively, with the beautiful sunlight. Having a herds of Indian Gaur made my stay experience to the next level. This group of cars was there about 30 minutes in the campus, grazing so easily, so peacefully, having so many calf also along with them. They have given us so much of time that we felt so satisfied seeing them continuously. And after grazing through the grass, they slowly moved away. And I always feel end of something is beginning of something else. Then we saw a group of elephants entering into the campus. This is another level of experience I had that day. First, I saw a big elephant, followed by the small one. It looks like the baby elephant is about 2 to 3 months old. This sighting happened near Harini Cottage. The moment we stand near Harini Cottage, it is like an open door for us to experience the unexpected things. When I saw the elephant first, it was only the mother and baby, but it wasn't. There was also another elephant who joined the group. Then later on, it was overall about 4 elephants. All were peacefully grazing grass. Whatever we saw today, it was all from the campus itself. We never went to a safari. After seeing them for about 30 to 40 minutes, they also moved out from the campus. This was all about our experience in Bandipur Cottage. Thanks for watching Antar Pravasa.